गली आजा मेरी गली ओ आजा मेरी।
बहुत बहुत दिनों से मुझे कीड़ा था कि मैं कहीं ना कहीं एक दिन लेट जाऊं, और पहली बार और आखिरी बार मैं लेट आई हूँ।
But we enjoyed this song thoroughly, and what's beautiful about this song is ये जो डांस का कीड़ा आपका तो है ही, मैं जानती हूँ, लेकिन आपने आई थिंक ये ट्रांसफर कर लिया है अजय सर को. I mean I haven't seen this thing in big. ये प्रभु जी का कमाल है. तो आपसे ही शुरू करते हैं प्रभु सर. प्रभु जी, oh he's got his mic ऐसी. प्रभु सर, thank you so much for yet another full masala film action. Jackson, are you wearing black just incidentally क्योंकि Jackson is, you know, related to that color? Are you in this color because of that?
No, I thought everyone will wear black and black. Only I came with black and black because yeah.
I'm giving you company, sir. I'm totally giving you
Good
company. Just to ask you कि ये commitment नहीं देते, appointment नहीं देते, punishment देते हैं, तो आपको कभी set पे कोई मौका मिला था इनको punishment देने का? ये तो देते रहते हैं. नहीं, आपने इनको दिया कि नहीं?
No. Okay.
मैं तो कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत पनिशमेंट है, नचा के मुझे पनिशमेंट चाहिए.
No, actually, I mean, we took this song when 3 days, I think. No, sir? 3 days. Yeah. So I mean, this time to a little bit I gave, my concentration was fully on sir, because first time he was dancing and, but he did it, I mean, we already decided to be very stylish and that's it.
एक signature step आपका हमेशा रहता है. अभी ये जो है, ये क्या मतलब ऑस्ट्रिया में तो मिट्टी भी नहीं है, क्या आप कर रहे हो? क्या
We showed, sir was watching and telling, "Acha, good step. Sona, she will do it." No, sir, it's for you. I guess. What? Me? Prabhu, please.
Ajay ji, you had a problem with this. Don't tell me.
I have a problem with everything.
No. Actually, then he came to the. I mean, that sir, sound, do it, and then he just did it. I told, okay, no, sir, really? Yeah. Everybody was clapping and it's actually in the first take only he did it, and then.
Okay, just a question. It's Elvis Presley in the Jackson title film. I'm sure you knew you were going to be asked this. ये क्या था?
No. It's just a thought. I don't know how it happened, but I thought it's cool. Cool for this song.
Yeah, and it looks very funny and nice.
And also already we want to change the dress, many things like that. Well, and then Jackson. Then I thought, no, it's looking good. Let it be in the full song, so it will be registered and it looks nice and cool and cute.
आपको डांसिंग के अलावा किसी और चीज का कीड़ा है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं?
I eat lot sweets.
He eats a lot. Sonakshi, it doesn't look at all.
I told him yesterday, sir, you're losing weight. He said, yes, dancing.
So that's the mantra.
That was his
Eat sweets and
explanation
dance.
to it.
But Ajay ji, honestly speaking, what was the hardest thing about dancing? Or do you think it's cool कि action के बीच में थोड़ा dance हो रहा था? Because I love that particular thing in the promo.
No, I think it was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me. In the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से moments देते हैं. So he did that and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very easy.
आपने लेकिन काले चश्मे और ग्रीन चश्मे और ब्लू चश्मे पहन के you made it easy for yourself. But Sonakshi is going berserk with her expressions.
She loves dancing. She music लगाओ तो वो सड़क पे शुरू हो जाएगी.
But doesn't that intimidate you? क्योंकि अगर आप देख रहे हो कि आपके सामने वाली लड़की is like fully charged.
No.
And now it's your
doesn't.
turn.
It doesn't. I look at her and say, "That's your job."
What was the hardest step in this song, if I ask you? कि
I really
कीड़ा
don't know.
की बात हो रही है?
So many of them. For me, but otherwise not.
No. I think as he said, we read the actors on first day. So as per his body language, we did it, because if it was difficult, it wouldn't have happened in 3 days. It would have gone 5 days.
Longer,
6 days.
yeah.
But we did it very happily. We kept him very happy. In between, it was very tensed.
No, and the best part is that he made me enjoy shooting the song.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
Actually, in third day and all, he was ready. Prabhu, come on, we can do it. Next what?